Hi guys, I'm Anna and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I actually came up with a list of products that I feel everyone should own and use during summers to maintain your personal hygiene, to maintain your body odor. All these products I feel are essential and a must-have for everyone. So if you want to know what these products are, then please continue watching. To start today with, you want to make sure that you cleanse your face and body thoroughly to get rid of the excess oil, sweat and dirt from the previous day. For that, it is very important that you own a good soap or a body wash that is refreshing because it is summers, suits your body type, and third, it smells really nice because you don't want to be stinking on a hot sunny day. So I personally like using body washes. Currently I'm using the St. Ives Softening Body Wash because it smells really nice and is very refreshing. So yeah, you can absolutely go for anything that suits you and smells good. So this one retails for $3.99. Now when we cleanse our face and body, it is also very important that we clean our intimate areas as well. Now using your regular soap or body wash on your intimate areas it is not very suitable because your regular soap and body washes are slightly high in pH levels, which are not suitable for use in those areas. So it is very important that you use something that is solely made for that purpose. I highly recommend using the Clean and Dry Daily Intimate Wash for girls, obviously. This also comes in like a powder form which you can just put on after you have a bath. So either or, if you don't want to go with the cleansing one, you can always go on with the powder one. Now while you're on the go, I would highly recommend having these. These are the WeWash Expert Intimate Hygiene Wipes. So they come in like a sachet packaging. So you can just drop one or two in your handbag and you're good to go. And wherever you are, you can just go to the washroom, clean yourself with this, dispose it off, and you're again fresh. Now it is very important to clean your intimate areas and maintain hygiene there. So I highly recommend both of these products for that purpose. This one retails for $2.89 and this one retails for 90 rupees and it has 10 sachets. So yeah. For the next product, I feel everyone should own a good exfoliator, good scrub for both your body and your face as well. Now summers are really sticky. You tend to sweat a lot, and because you sweat a lot, the dust particles kind of stick on your face, which result in blackheads, whiteheads, clogged pores and dullness of the skin, dead skin, which are like, obviously not all of us experience all of these things, but all of us experience at least 2 or 3 of these things. So it is very important that you exfoliate and you scrub your face and your body at least once a week. Currently I am using the Dirty Works Pore Effect Face Scrub and I am obsessing over this. This is with the pomegranate and raspberry extract. This works well for me and retails for 750 rupees. So yeah, so find what scrub works for you and please scrub your face and your body at least once a week to keep your skin healthy and nice and fresh and everything glowing and clean. The next product that I would highly recommend is owning a good face mist or a toner. For summers, my highly recommended product would be rose water. Now rose water acts as a natural pure toner and does the job perfectly and gives a refreshing feeling as well, which is great. I have personally used both of these for the longest time. This is the Dabur Gulabari rose water and this is the Lover handmade rose water. You can use either of these, both of them do a great job. Also, I have been using the Biotique Bio Honey Water Pore Tightening Toner lately. Like it has just been like a week since I've been using this, but yeah, this also does the job nicely. Now, owning a toner is very important in summers because of three reasons. One, it balances the pH level of your face and your skin, which is very important in summers because your body has a relatively high temperature during summers, so it needs that balance. B, it gives a refreshing feeling and a coolness to your face, which is also very important in summers because of the excess heat. And 3, it helps you get rid of the excess dirt or impurities on your skin, which is also very important because we go through a lot of excess impurities, excess sweat, excess heat on our face during summers. So toners are a must-have during summer and are an essential. That I insist you on having, and I hope and I pray that most of you do already own these, is a small pack of dry tissue paper and a small pack of wet wipes. Now I am out of wet wipes currently, but you should always carry these because summers is a sticky time and you feel the need of refreshing and cleaning yourself any time of the day because you tend to sweat a lot. So what I do is I carry both of them, and whenever I feel sticky or sweaty, I just move into the washroom. I clean myself with dry tissue papers first, then I wipe myself with wet wipes, then again I go on with the dry tissue papers and dab it everywhere I feel sweaty, including my armpits. Spray some deodorant or the bar that I carry with myself, the Dove bar, which I will show you, and or any perfume, and you're good to go. You're refreshed and you're fresh again. So yeah, I highly recommend you, especially for summers, that you carry these things with yourself. The next thing that has now become an essential for both summers and winters is a mask. Now for summers especially, I would highly recommend that you own a good cotton mask because cotton is a breathable fabric and it will keep you comparatively comfortable as compared to the other fabrics. So I highly recommend owning a comfortable cotton mask which is breathable and you're more comfortable wearing it. The next product that I feel everyone should own is a good deodorant. Now I use the Dove Go Fresh Cucumber and Green Tea Scent deodorant. Now as soon as I take a bath, I first spray this on my neck and my underarms, and then I wear my clothes. I kind of get ready and then again put on my regular perfume or the regular scent that I use, the regular deo or perfume, whatever that you use, and then move out of the house because I tend to sweat a lot and I don't want to be stinking throughout the day. So I make sure I use something like this first and then go on with my regular perfume. While I'm on the go, I use the bar version of the same Dove deodorant. This is the same thing, the same scent actually, the same cucumber and green tea, but in a bar form. So whenever I told you as I feel stinky or sweaty, I just go into the washroom, do my wet wipes and my patch drying with my tissues, and then I use this roll-on on my armpits, and then I'm again refreshed and all good to go. Or you can also carry a small roll-on or a perfume with yourself in your bag just to smell nice, and I carry both because as I said, I don't like to be smelling. Yeah, I don't like to be smelling bad. Yeah, so I highly recommend that you own these things for summers. Guys, these are like basic necessities to keep yourself hygienic and to keep yourself clean. So yeah, rest is your choice, but I would highly recommend that you own these things. product that I highly recommend and is very, 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 very important to take care of your skin is the Biotique. I don't recommend this product. I am telling you to own one sunscreen or a sun lotion. Now I use this. This is the Mamaearth Ultra Light Indian Sunscreen, and this is the Biotique Bio Sandalwood Sun Lotion. Now both of these are not at all sticky on the skin and do not leave that white cast that usually sun creams do. You can also use the Perrine sun cream. I forgot the name, but it is a gel based sun cream, so it is even better for summers because it is gel based and it is kind of soothing as well. So that is one. And yeah, the gel based cream is also good for someone who is an oily skin type, so you can go on with that one. Check that out. Yeah, own one. Okay, sorry, this is very, very ganda. Next thing that I'm going to talk about is again a personal hygiene thing, and I think that everyone should do that, is getting rid of excessive hair on your body. Now in summers especially, I highly recommend that your body is kind of hairless, simply because the more hair you have on your body, the more sweat it produces, the more sticky you feel, the more hot you feel, and the more bad odor your body produces. So you turn out to be smelling bad sometimes. So it is very important that you get rid of your body hair. These are some trimmers and razors that I use. I only shave my face. For the rest of the body I get waxed. So I use these trimmers. I use this one for my face, like here. This one I use for my eyebrows and my upper lips. And for times like the lockdown that we had for the past 3 months, I've been using the Gillette Venus razor. This is the wand and this is the blade part. So yeah, and it is very, very important to get rid of hair on your private and intimate parts as well. Simply because that is the area that is always covered, exposed to no air, and it tends to be smelly or sticky most of the time. So it is very important that you shave or get it waxed or trim it, whatever suits you. Do that and just get rid of the hair there as well. Again, the next necessity is an essential for summers and winters as well. That is a hand sanitizer. Always carry a hand sanitizer with you no matter what, because obviously it is a necessity now. So, but I have been carrying a hand sanitizer since always in my bag. So it is just a good habit to keep yourself and your hands clean. So yeah, just carry a good hand sanitizer with yourself at all times and be safe. The next product that I'm going to be talking about is again a very, very important step. However hot it may be, or if you are an oily skin girl, even then it is equally important to moisturize your face. Use a lightweight moisturizer if you feel that you already have excessive oil on your face. Use a lightweight moisturizer or use a gel based moisturizer, but do not forget applying moisturizer on your face on a daily basis. Sometimes if you're a dry skin type, twice a day is also great. So currently I've been using the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. I'm a dry skin type, but it is for all skin types and it is a mild moisturizer, so you can use this. And yeah, do not forget to moisturize your face however hot it may be. Now it is turning hot day by day, and considering the current situation, we will have to be wearing masks 24/7. Be it our college, workplace, office, school, I don't know, shopping if we will. Anywhere we go, we will have to be wearing masks every time. And since it is already very hot, by wearing a mask, we will feel even hotter. So to feel less hot while wearing a mask, I would highly recommend you tying up your hair in a bun or in a pony, or basically keeping it away from your face so that you feel less hot. Another thing that you can do is try wearing less makeup. Now makeup is another layer on our skin. So we have our skin, then we have our makeup, then we will have our masks. So if you wear less makeup, you will feel less hot, then you will only have like your skin and the mask. So it will be like, obviously you will feel less hot and more comfortable. So that's it guys, that is pretty much it that I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed the little essentials, tips and tricks for summers that I had for you. I hope you like the product recommendations as well. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.